storms were located along the line extending from the Oregon to West miles and southwest of Phoenix,
the locality is more light. You see that this is how you get a bigger crown and type of an entire placing of
50 miles west of east, and any size hail.
Thing that God gives
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ava, Seymour, Mansfield, Fordland, Duncan, Digging, Elfhead, Biddle, Bruner, Keltner, Donwood, and Odin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. You are quote to be struck by lightning. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Missouri, Christian, Douglas, Webster, and Wright.
It's really clear. You can lose your salvation. You can sin your way to hell. I'm going to do something that I know by my presence is going to convey the impression that I agree with them, or that at least it's okay enough that I can be there.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northern Webster County, southern Dallas County, southeastern Polk County, southwestern McLean County, northeastern Greene County, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
We're going to have to take the rejections on the other side of the quick time out. So we'll pause on one, we'll get to 2, 3, 4, and 5 quickly on the other side of this quick time out. And Maggie and Bill, if you're listening right now, I hope you find my responses helpful. So when you respond to whoever rejects, it may go in a different direction.
This is a radar-indicated threat.
If people saw the movie Unplanned, you remember that he goes through the experience. It's portrayed of having a chemical abortion in pretty graphic detail. It's displayed what actually happens, and it's terribly dangerous for women.
Relevant Radio invites you to join us in praying the memorial to end abortion in America and for the protection of all human life from conception to natural death. Add your memories to our tally at relevantradio.com.
Hi, this is Bishop Timothy Doherty. What about if it's only 4 people who care? And by the way, how can you calculate who cares? It's a non-argument. I mean, it is an argument, I guess, but it's not a good argument. Objection number 'Cause if they're not validly married, then that's all they're doing is cohabiting. Sure, they've got a license in the eyes of the state saying that they're married, but as Catholics, they're not actually married. So there's no actual distinction between
locations impacted include Palm Beach Lake, Palm Beach State Park, Pittsburgh, Hermitage, Urbana, Knight Creek,
more simple as scandalous. Entering an invalid marriage or lying during pre-payment and on the altar to have the wedding falling So I would say they're equally, and for different reasons, objectionable.
Until 11:30 p.m.
If you marry an invalid marriage, Jesus says
in Missouri
that is immoral. Matthew chapter 19, a verse we've covered many times, about men and women who are living in a sexually unlawful relationship.
The same thing they decide for themselves. Because if they decide based on viability, well, viability changes based on the latest technology. Never they didn't even survive today before the
thunderstorm warning for northeastern Webster County,
again, this is part of why Roe v. Wade was overturned.
southwestern Pulaski County, until midnight Central Daylight
With the
Time.
decision of Roe v. Wade, by allowing for so-called emergency care when it comes to a woman and claiming that abortion is necessary. However, here's the difference.
On way to near Lebanon, moving northeast at 40 miles.
22 weeks on, modern technology is known to consistently save babies. Prior to 22 weeks is not consistent. Viability isn't the mark. So a couple days,
Expect
a couple
damage to
weeks,
roofs.
and that is the death sentence or not for a child if it is physician is to abortion and chooses to offer an abortion, or the pro-life doctor who will deliver the baby, if the woman's life is at risk and it's necessary for the baby to be delivered.
Sleeper, Falcon, Blackway, Ritter, Long Lane, and Dry Knob. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 110 and 152. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
To save the mom's life. On the flip side, doctors who go to a pro-abortion worldview because it's political, it's immoral. Pro-abortion doctors
In Missouri, Dallas, McLean, Pulaski, and Webster. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeast and Webster County, Central Dallas County, Northwestern Wright
and number
County,
three,
McLean County,
there's a
Northwestern
very
Texas
simple
County,
distinction here. When
Southwestern
you need to
Florida
large choice. Early delivery, where a doctor might need to induce a woman,
11:50.
in rare instances provide a C-section,
Storms were located
but there's a difference between the removal of the baby that includes abortion and the removal of the baby that leaves the baby's life intact. Now, women who go for an abortion are put in additional risk from having had an abortion itself. Abortion is more difficult than this in child
damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
again, I would like to say this, or hear this without conclusion. We've covered up the death statistics of women who've been harmed and wounded for years. I'll include a link in the episode notes for today's show where we actually look at some of the international data because the United States refuses to hold the abortion businesses culpable for reporting. This is a simple moral question, a matter of ethics. Doctors remove a baby.
Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
I think this is why 7 out of 10 abortions today, women said it was unwanted before. We cannot forget that a number of those unwanted and forced abortions are by medical so-called professionals telling women your child's life is worth less than living. You don't hand up, I will never forget. I will never.
St. Louis has issued a flash flood warning for central Franklin County until 5:30 a.m. At 2:27 a.m. indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Union, Pacific, St. Clair, Villa Ridge, Gray Summit, Parkway, Moselle, Robertsville, and Calusa. This includes Allen State Park, Robertsville State Park. This includes Interstate 44 in Missouri between exits 259 and 257. Turn around, don't drive encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 a.m. for the following counties: Franklin, Missouri.
Want to know about